Assalamu alaikum. With another lecture of correct use of English in writing and speaking. This is Faiz Mahmood. Learn English with Faiz. Today, this lecture is before you. Screen is showing you what is there. Vegetables, they are always plural. They are always used in plural form with S. Without S, we are not allowed grammatically to use them in our writing as well as speaking. Whenever we speak vegetables. Whenever we write, we will write vegetables. And fruit is sometimes spoken by fruits by people. So, fruits with S is wrong in writing as well as in speaking. In form, it always comes singular. I buy vegetables and fruit from the market. Now, the next thing is material nouns. What are material nouns? Material nouns are those nouns which indicate substance from which things are made. When they are used as substance from which things are made, they cannot be made plural or used plural in writing as well as speaking. But when they are used as common noun, not representing any substance or material, they can be used plural. When we use them as common noun, the building is made of brick and stone. Here it is used as a substance, as a material. The angry mob pelted bricks and stone. Here it is used as a common noun, not as a material or substance. The boys are throwing stones at the frogs. Here it is used as a common noun. So when material noun is used as a common noun, plural can be made, but when it indicates substance, it can never be used in plural form. It will always be used in writing as well as speaking as singular. The next thing is abstract nouns are never used in plural form. Beauty, kindness, mercy. These are the abstract nouns. Kindness never goes unrewarded. Goes. We have used a singular verb because this is an abstract noun. If we want to pluralize the noun, we can do it as follows. Acts of kindness. In the previous lecture, I have given you a full list through which we can make these words plural. Acts of, kind of, piece of. These are the words through which we can pluralize these words. But that will in never ever case we are making the abstract noun plural. We are using these words which becomes the subject, and because subject becomes a plural, this becomes a plural, not this kindness which is an abstract noun. We can pluralize it to show that some plural thing had happened. I feel pain in my chest. Feel pain. Not pains. Pains, if we use pains, its function is not the pain which I'm feeling in my chest. It means the struggle which I'm making to get something. If I use pains, he has taken great pains to achieve his target. In this sense, you can use the word pain in plural. Now, when noun is compounded, means two or more nouns are joined together with a numeral, with a word numeral. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are numerals. It is always used in singular. He gave me a 5-rupee note, a 5-mile race. This is compounded. Noun is compounded with a numeral. 5 numeral, 5 numeral. A singular verb has been used here. 10-minute walk is. Some nouns taken from the foreign language, they should always keep their original form. Singular and plural. Aratum, arata. medium, media, formula, formulae, index, indices, memorandum, memoranda, crisis, ES, analysis, analysis, phenomenon, phenomena. So accordingly, we will use singular and plural verb with them. If erratum is used, singular. If medium is used, singular. If media is used, plural. Errata is used, plural. So accordingly, we will use singular or plural word with them. Thank you very much for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my Facebook page. Thank you.